Imagine a dish soap that's natural, effective, and smells amazing. I'm about to show you how to make it yourself. Hi, I'm Yusette from Simply Earth. Today we're making the ultimate solid dish soap, non-toxic, all natural, and better than store-bought. Now before we start, we will be working with very fine powders that can cause you to sneeze or cough. This is where you would want to put on a face mask. In a large bowl, you're gonna start by combining half a cup of SCI powder, 1 tablespoon of SLSa, 1 teaspoon of fine table salt, and 1 tablespoon of washing soda. These ingredients are all about creating a great lather and cleaning power. For step 2, in a separate small heat-safe bowl, melt 1 tablespoon of stearic acid in 15-second intervals. Add half a teaspoon of coconut oil and stir to melt. For step 3, you're gonna pour the melted oils onto the dry powder mixture and stir. It'll start to form like dough. Step 4, now you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of foam boost and your essential oils. Here are some scent formula ideas to try. Scent formula number 1 is called Citrus Sunshine. For a fresh, energizing scent, try 25 drops of grapefruit, 15 drops of tangerine, and 10 drops of lime. Scent formula number 2 is called Garden Kitchen. This one is a grounded herbal vibe. You're gonna use 40 drops of lemon, 10 drops rosemary. Scent formula number 3 is called Mountain Air. This is for a more crisp, refreshing scent. Try 30 drops of peppermint and 20 drops of eucalyptus. Today, I will be making the Garden Kitchen scent. Once the powders are wet, the dust is gone. Feel free to remove your mask at this point. Step number 5, while wearing gloves, knead the mixture. It should come together and feel like a warm dough. Step number 6, press firmly into your 6-ounce ramekin or mold. For best results, let the mixture harden for 48 hours before use. A quick tip, this recipe doesn't need a preservative because the washing soda keeps it safe from bacteria. Also, you don't want to use baking soda. Washing soda's higher alkalinity is key for hardening the soap and cutting through the grease. Feel free to experiment with different essential oils to find your favorite scent. It's a great way to make this soap truly yours. Let's test it out. Look at that creamy lather, perfect for washing dishes. It really cuts through the grease and it feels just like a premium dish soap. But we made it ourselves. No chemicals, just natural power. Now that I've shown you how easy it is, it's your turn. Ditch the plastic bottle and try making your very own solid dish soap. Let me know how it goes. Share your creations on social media with #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. Do you want more fun DIYs? Check out simplyearth.com. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.